ultrasonic sensor, Arduino Nano, battery 3.7 volt, one black glass. Connections. Connect the GND pin to the GND of the ultrasonic sensor. Then connect the echo pin to Arduino of a D2. After coding, connect the battery positive terminal to the VIN of a Arduino Nano, which is also called as plus, and connect the GND pin to the GND pin which is in front of the VIN pin. And you can also join a switch to close and open the circuit. After connecting all parts, we stick in the glass and sew it. Let's stick to the glass and show how I stick. Sensor is front of this too, and the Arduino Nano is in the handle of the glass. So this. Let's show how this works. For any problem to making this project, you can share your problem in the comment box and I will. Thank you for watching the video. Like and subscribe and share this